Welcome to HWM Aston Martin Walton-on-Thames. Today we're going to have a look at this 10-year-old special. It's a beautiful Vantage S V12. So let me tell you a little bit more about this particular Vantage. So the first thing you'll notice is the volcano red. So it was a Q special colour. So again, beautiful colour. It's carried on through the range in terms of Aston Martin, but I personally love it as well. So I've seen it on quite a few of the models, and again, it's striking. Stands out, the presence with the V12 and the bonnet vents and the look of the car. Obviously it is a bit of a timeless spec as well. So a little bit more about this car. It is 10 years old as of today. So it was first registered in June 2015. We're now shooting this video in June 2025, so happy birthday to the car. Again, great to have it back. It is a one owner from new car as well, just covered just under 14,000 miles. Been looked after extremely well. The presentation of the car, if you get up close and personal, it's very, very well maintained. Testament to the previous owner as well. So the Vantage V12 S, to give you a little bit of the history of the car, it's obviously the timeless Vantage look, but what they did is they put at that time, the largest engine they could put into it. So they put a V12 5.9 litre engine into it. It is producing 565 brake horsepower, which is incredible performance. And the best figure about them is it was a 200+ mile an hour car, an additional 0 to 60 in roughly 3.9 seconds. So it was no slow car back in 2015. So spec-wise, the biggest distinguishing feature on the Vantage V12S is your carbon vents on this, the bonnet vents on this particular car as well. So you've got kind of your two large one, your two center vents. It's got a real presence, and I love that feature on it. Complementing the vents is, if we get lower, you'll see that it comes with the carbon fiber grille. So you've got the mesh grille and then the outsides of them in finishing carbon fiber, along with the carbon fiber splitter. So if the camera picks it up on a zoom in, you'll see the weave of the carbon fiber, and it goes throughout the car as well. So you do have things like your dark headlights. We've got your chrome badging, and then with the complemented bits, we'll go down the side in a second and show you. So the car sits on a set of P0s. We do have your bi-color alloys diamond turned as well. Complementing the red, we've got the red brake caliper again. So it was a traditional kind of look for the red in the red. That follows on the inside of the car as well. Ceramic brakes and 19-inch alloys as well. V12 fender badges, so you can see them just there in terms of the side fender badges, the red lower package as well. Again, this car then comes with a red upper, so you've got your red wing mirrors, and then you've got your body coloured roof matching the car as well. Clear glass, quite nice. So again, obviously it doesn't have the privacy glass, but a quite nice feature. And then surrounding the glass, you have the gloss. So sometimes you see them in aluminium or chrome, so it's got the gloss edging. So that complements with the darker wheels and the smoked tail lights as well. On the rear of the car, chrome badges. Love the V12 Vantage S badging at the back. We do have the red infill on the tail lights, and then we've got a carbon fiber kind of rear spoiler in effect, and then you've got your chrome dual exhausts. So step inside to the Vantage. First thing you'll notice is the black interior, but we have our Chancellor red stitch throughout the seats and the dash as well. So complementing the outside, the rear brake calipers, and then the inside, I absolutely love it. Again, you've got the Alcantara headlining, so again, the sportier touch, that follows through onto your Alcantara sports steering wheel as well. So that does have your controls for your Bluetooth, your radio, cruise control as well, so that's kind of quite nice. If the camera picks it up, you've got little red kind of paddles, colour to match in terms of your Chancellor red stitch, which is quite a nice little feature. So onto the waterfall dash. So we have it in a gloss finish. So in the center console, we have your glass buttons, a motion kind of start key there as well. And you do have your sport button, and then we have parking sensors, dampeners, and traction control buttons. So again, the team at HWM will be able to kind of talk you through the gearbox, how to drive these particular cars as well, because quite engaging and quite a learning curve, but an enjoyable learning curve when you get a chance to drive and sit behind this V12, especially with the size of the car and the power output that you have on it as well. So finished off with a premium sound system. Hope you enjoyed watching the short video on our Vantage V12S. The car is now for sale at Aston Martin Walton-on-Thames. Again, all the details are online, but feel free to reach out to anybody in the sales team and we'll be happy to look after you.